This channel earns up to $11,000 a month. This one makes up to $33,000, and this one, in fact, makes up to $105,000 a month from YouTube videos. What? Wait, how much? How is that even possible? And the biggest question you're probably asking is, what do I need to do to earn that much?
You gotta stay relaxed.
If you want to learn about one of the most profitable strategies for making money on YouTube, I highly recommend watching this video until the end. I will provide you with the necessary tools to promote a highly profitable YouTube channel on your own. You don't have to film the videos yourself, be in front of the camera, or have any experience in video editing. I will share the key tips with you.
Ooh, share!
Today, I will discuss a fantastic video creation strategy in 4 simple steps. By utilizing this easy method, you will be able to establish a channel where you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $70,000 per month, and potentially even more. Are you excited? Then let's hack YouTube together. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Ross. I have personally created and promoted 9 YouTube channels on my own, and now I earn significantly more from them than I did in my regular job. What astonishes me is that not all of my friends and acquaintances have followed my example. They continue to work in their jobs that they dislike, feeling exhausted and unhappy. The amazing thing about YouTube is that you can earn a substantial income by doing simple things. This realization motivated me to help those who are genuinely ready and eager to leverage the platform's opportunities. As a result, I created a channel where I share genuinely valuable and up-to-date information. My goal is to provide content that is useful and relevant to anyone seeking to make the most of YouTube's potential. I want to inspire and guide individuals who are ready to seize the opportunities that await them on this incredible platform. If you are committed to earning a substantial income and want to stay updated on the most advanced strategies, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and enable the notifications by clicking the bell icon. By joining my community, we can embark on a journey of financial success together. Let's learn, implement, and make money hand in hand. Our profitable strategy involves creating and promoting YouTube shorts focused on the topic of anime. In this episode, I will provide you with detailed instructions on how to implement this strategy effectively. Let's begin by exploring the existing videos on YouTube. When you search for #shortsanime, you'll find a wide range of videos with varying views counts, from thousands to millions. As mentioned earlier, some channels are earning between $11,000 to $105,000 through their content. However, there's even more to discover. I came across a channel with 339,000 subscribers and 1,000 videos generating up to $161,000 in revenue. Truly remarkable, isn't it? And I firmly believe that there is still room for growth. Are you ready to replicate this success? I am thrilled to extend an invitation to my advanced intensive course, where I will unveil some of the most valuable tips and tricks for success on YouTube. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll guide you on how to earn up to $100,000 a month on the platform. And if you're eager to learn more, stay tuned until the end of the episode, where I'll provide further details about this exciting opportunity. Don't miss out. Now, let's move on to implementing our strategy. But I want to emphasize the importance of following each step carefully to ensure its effectiveness. Let's begin with step 1, finding videos on TikTok. Go to TikTok and type anime in the search box. In the results, you'll find numerous anime-related accounts. Take note of the popular channels like Anime Soldier with 3.1 million subscribers, Anaflexer with 233,000 subscribers, or Boris709 with 61,000 subscribers. As you scroll down, you'll discover a multitude of anime channels. This indicates the immense popularity of the anime theme on TikTok as well. If you come across other interesting and popular anime-themed channels, make sure to share them with me and the fellow viewers in the comment section down below. Let's foster a supportive community where we can exchange valuable information and accelerate our growth to earn more money. Now, let's proceed to the Anime Soldier account. It has amassed a total of 49.6 million likes. All right, let's choose their most popular video. Navigate to the best hits section and you'll find a video with 18.2 million views. Just imagine the potential if your videos could garner that many views. Click on the video to open it in full screen mode. It features a cute character, a little girl, an eagle lobster, engaging in a playful fight with an octopus tentacle, and even chasing her own fingers. It's a quirky yet amusing video, and since it's already popular, we'll use it to increase our chances of getting more views. Please note that the video itself is a snippet taken from a cartoon, so it's borrowed content. In the next step, we'll need to cover the TikTok watermarks to make the video appear original. Click on the copy link button to complete this step successfully. Stay tuned for my upcoming video where I'll reveal secret tips on how to boost your YouTube video views and increase your monthly income up to $50,000. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on this valuable information that can significantly enhance your earnings. Step 2, download the video. Let's navigate to the SnapTik service page. You can easily find it by searching for the name on Google. Once the service page opens, enter our link into the designated field and click on the green button. This will take us to the next page where we should click the blue button to initiate the video download process. Once the download is complete, the video will be saved on your computer. Step 3, formatting the video. Now let's proceed to canva.com. We'll need to register quickly using your email address. Once registered, access the video section. Click on mobile video and select the blank template. Import the downloaded video from your computer into the template. Adjust the video size to fit the full screen. By the way, to avoid any issues with the music used in this video, we should replace it. The best option is to select a track from the YouTube audio library. I discussed all the possibilities of using this library in my previous video on how to make money on YouTube fast without filming. Click on the tooltip on the corner of the screen to learn more about music on YouTube and discover another effective strategy of increasing your earnings. Great. Now let's move on to the next step. Open the Elements category and select the square shape. Stretch it out and place it on top of the video. Change the color to white. Excellent. Now duplicate the rectangle and place the second one below the first. Perfect. We're done with that. Next, click on the text option and add a subtitle. Write something like, what do you think about this character? And position it at the top. Now, duplicate the text and place it at the bottom. We'll write reply in the comments there. It's crucial to encourage people to comment because the more they engage, the more your videos will be seen and shared. Just imagine the potential increase in views if 5 out of 10 people comment on your video. It could multiply your views by 10 or even 100. Now, let's proceed to download our video. In the top right corner, click Share, and you'll find the download button. Perfect. We're all set. Now that you have explored and enhanced your design skills with Canva, you've discovered the cool features this service has to offer. It would be greatly appreciated if you could show your support by giving this video a like for providing you with such a valuable information. Step 4, upload the video to YouTube. Now navigate to your YouTube Studio page. On the left panel, click on Dashboard. Excellent. Next, click on Add Video. Remember, shorts are uploaded in the same way as regular videos with only one difference, being the inclusion of hashtag shorts in the title. Before the hashtag, let's name it Quirky Little Anime Girl. In the description, you can include links to your other videos. Then scroll down and add relevant tags such as anime, anime girl, anime shorts, and anime adventures in the tags section, keeping in mind of the limit of 500 characters. While hashtags shouldn't consume the most of your time, they do play a role in helping your video gain traction and attract more views. Afterwards, hit the publish button. Great. I believe this strategy is both simple and effective. To maximize your income, I recommend posting such videos at least once a day, especially during the initial phase of your channel promotion. You might be thinking, wow, that sounds like a lot of work, but in reality, how much time did it take you to create one video? Maybe 5 to 7 minutes at most. By dedicating just an hour and a half each day, you can produce enough content for 1.5 weeks. Additionally, you can utilize the auto-publishing feature, allowing you to work for 3 to 4 hours a single day and generate content for an entire month. Then, you can sit back and watch as your channel gradually earns 5 or even 6 figures. YouTube is an incredible platform. Where else can you find such an amazing opportunity to earn substantial income? I haven't come across a more convenient and powerful online service for making money. While I have experience in generating income from my regular job, I have also been honing my skills and earning money on YouTube for several years. Today, I can confidently say that no other occupation offers the same level of opportunities as YouTube. That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. The link is in the description below this video. Join my Hack YouTube course and we'll get into detail about everything you need for a successful channel and making a profit of $10,000 a month on YouTube. We'll find the most profitable niche for you, break down monetization methods, create a channel management strategy for the next 3 months, uncover the most current video design life hacks, share a collection of secret content creation and quality improvement tools.
What do you need?
Tools.
Lots of
Tools.
And explain how YouTube algorithms work and how to hack them so your videos always end up in YouTube's recommendations. And by the end of the course, you'll have your very own monetized YouTube channel where you can guarantee your dreams will come true. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Mike Ross.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I'm immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
So, we've just uncovered another incredible strategy for effortlessly earning money on YouTube. And the best part, you don't need any editing skills, you don't have to be in front of a camera, and there's no need for video shoots, and it requires minimal time investment. If you're interested in learning more about the highly effective earning strategies I share, make sure to check out my video on confessions. In this video, I reveal a strategy that can potentially earn you up to $10,000 a month. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on future videos where I share the most profitable earning strategies on YouTube. I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up to let me know that the strategy was helpful to you and you're interested in learning more about effective and profitable ways to make money on YouTube. Remember, I'm Mike Ross, and by watching my videos, you can grow, achieve financial success, and have incredible YouTube hackers days. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.